Again, that is just me though, but I could definitely see the appeal of that. Well, alrighty, it looks like it is 8 o'clock, so let's get started with our 2020 Donruss Optic Football Random Player One Blaster Box break number 4. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Billy in the top spot. And we've got Brian in the bottom 2 spots. All right, so we'll just blow this up a little bit and cut and paste it over to the right. Sort by everybody's names. You have a good evening too, Craig. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, Blake, how are you doing? I never know how you want me to put your name in the spot because on the website you're registered as James. So if you want me to change that, just let me know and I can adjust that, or I can leave it the way it is, just whichever you prefer. Glad you got that patch auto. That was out of Obsidian, wasn't it? That RPA. I thought you had hit that. Nice little card there. All right. I hope you all can hear me okay. This headset does not fit that great, and I'm constantly having to adjust it. So if it sounds like my voice is changing as I'm talking, it's because I'm monkeying around with this headset because it's messing with my glasses. I'm about ready to throw these things straight into the trash. Don't worry, I will be going back to the regular microphone next week. I was just trying something. On the surface, it seemed like a genius idea. In reality, it's a dumpster fire. Normally, I feel like my audio is somewhat consistent because I normally use the Yeti mic and it sits right in front of me. Obviously, I did something wrong with the cut and paste there. Okay, I wasn't sure, and that's why I asked. So I didn't know if you preferred one or the other. It doesn't matter to me. Whichever you prefer is perfectly fine with me. I just wanted to touch base with you. Because I knew on here and on the socials and stuff you go by Blake, so I didn't know if you wanted me to leave it or change it, so I figured I'd ask. Alrighty, now that we have been through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. Alrighty, pack number 1. Joe Mixon, Jason Kelsey, and we have a Brandon Ayuk Elite Series Rookies. And then next we have a KJ Hamler rated rookie. That little speck there is on the sleeve. Actually, I'm going to throw that sleeve away. I'm not sure what that was. Pack number 2. First card, Aaron Rodgers. Derrick Henry. And then we have a AJ Epineza rookie, Purple Shock Prism. And then our last card in the pack is a Kevon Chason rookie. Pack number 3. Max Crosby. Lamar Jackson. Then we have a Julian Okawara rookie silver. And then our last card in the pack is my evil arch nemesis, Marlon Davidson, who I pull out of every single blaster box I open. All right, pack number 4. First card, Cortland Sutton. Bobby Wagner. The next card is pretty nice. We have a Purple Shock Joe Burrow Prism. Wish it was centered a little better. And then we have an Antonio Gibson rated rookie. Next pack. Josh Allen. DeAndre Hopkins. Then we have a Trayvon Diggs silver rookie. And a AJ Epineza base rookie. Next pack. Last pack. Adam Thielen, Tyler Boyd, and then we have a purple shock prism, Quintez Cephas, rookie. And right behind it is the base version. Alrighty, now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. We'll start with our lone insert, which is our Brandon Ayuk Elite Series rookies. And that goes to James. Congrats on that, James. And then next we'll go through our stack of rookie cards. We've got 4 base rookies and then 2 rated rookies. First is our Quintez Cephas. And that goes to James. So you'll get the base and the purple shock prism version. Congrats on those. And then next is our AJ Epineza base. And that goes to Josh. And he also had the purple shock prism version as well. So you get 2 of his cards. And then next is Marlon Davidson. And that goes to Johnny. Congrats on that, Johnny. Thanks for joining us this week. And then our next rookie is Clavon Chason. And that goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. And then next is our Antonio Gibson rated rookie. And that goes to James. Congrats on that. Building up quite a stack there. And then next is KJ Hamler. And that goes to Daniel. Congrats on that, Daniel. And then next our stack of prisms. First our 2 silvers. Our first one is Trayvon Diggs. Oops. And that goes to Brian. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is our Julian Okwara, rookie silver. And that goes to Richard. Congrats on that, Richard. And then last but certainly not least is our Joe Burrow purple shock prism. That is a little bit OC. And that goes to Tom. Congrats on that, Tom. Hopefully, I don't know if it's possible for the customer service at Panini to swap that out, but maybe they can, since it is pretty off-center left to right. Nonetheless, nice little hit there. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2020 Donruss Optic Football Random Player One Blaster Box Break number 4. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us for the live feed for the break this evening. And we'll be back in about 10 minutes with our 2020 Bowman Draft Super Jumbo Pack Random Player Break number 2. Thanks again, everybody. Man, I can't believe that Burrow was so OC. That is rough.